Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a free WordPress website using free subdomain. You can go and type Bytehost, and here you can go and view this website, and here you can see free hosting. You can go here and create your free account. So you can add your subdomain name. For example, let me add Enable Site Design, and here you can add password. Then add email, and here you can select the category. So let me select this one, select the site language, and here you can fill out. Scroll down, and now you need to verify. So let's go back. Then you can check the spam folder, this one. Scroll down and click on the link, and now here you can see account is active. So you can choose these credentials to log in into cPanel, and you will also get all of the details. Here you can see this one. You can scroll down and find out all the details. Then you can log in into cPanel account. So let me copy this one, cPanel username, and you can choose the password that you have used when you have filled that form. Scroll down and click on I approve. So now you will be redirected to the cPanel, and here you can scroll down. You can simply install WordPress, and you will see all other CMS platforms. You can also use these one. And now we want to go with WordPress. Scroll down, and here you can select HTTP. Then you can add username and add here password. Then here you can add your email. Scroll down, here you can add site name, then add tagline, this one. Scroll down, and here you can select website language. Then you can install the WordPress theme, and after that click on install button. And now it will take few seconds for the WordPress installation. After that you will be able to visit your website. So now you can view the website on the front side, this one. And if you want to log in into your website, then you can use wp-admin, and here you can add username and password. Then press enter, and now you can install a free WordPress theme from here. You can go to WordPress theme library, then click on add theme, and here you can find out different professional themes. So you can install Hello Elementor as well as Astra WordPress theme. So I want to go with this theme. You can also preview before installing this theme. Then you can install any of the pre-built design. So you can go with starter templates, click here, and here you can select website builder. So let's go with Elementor page builder. You can also use AI website builder to design your website using AI. So now I want to go with this one. Click here, and here you can add, and here you can see these are the font options, so that you can easily optimize your website font, as well as you can select the color scheme. Then click on continue button, and here you can install different plugins. Then you can also skip. Here you can add your name and then add email. Then select your expertise, then you can select here. So let me select myself, then accept terms and conditions, click on submit and build my website. So it will install all of the plugins in your website, and once it complete 100%, then your website will be ready